Well, honestly, I like what I really like actually what we saw during the second half. No, tulad na sinabi ko sa team, yung second half, yun yung dapat na game namin, from start to finish. We cannot afford to give a team like San Miguel early lead like that. Our chances of winning pag gano'n na mangyayari, medyo mahihirapan talaga kami. But, again, hats off to all the players. They fought back. We even had the lead end of the third quarter. And then, fourth quarter, it was really a close game. So, I think those kind of games will, tulad na sinabi ko again sa mga players, those kind of games will get us to the next level, and we'll definitely will get better from this one. I told them that marami ako masyadong pinapagawa sa kanila, and they've been trying. They're trying their best to do the habits right away, kasi wala pa talaga yung mga habits Siyempre, medyo bago pa yung sistema, medyo yung 9 years na, yung iba doon, mga bago pa rin, yung mga ibang players, medyo bumabalik pa rin sa dating habits. But they've been trying. I can't ask anything more than what they're doing right now. I just want them to just focus on getting better every day. And this game, I told them, ito yung masasarap na laro. Ito yung sa tingin ko will get us to the next level.
Coach, yung next game nyo kasi TNT, so another test for you. So, tingin mo ba, even with this loss, and then yung TNT parang medyo flat din kanina, so how confident are you na
Actually, this weekend is really a big challenge and big test, not only for the players but for me. If you think about it, I'm playing against two Coach of the Year for the past how many years? So, I'm embracing the challenge, definitely, but I'm enjoying it. Watching them on the other side, playing against them, playing chess against them, So, I'm just happy and just be blessed to be, playing like a chess match against them. Even against Meralco, our two losses are against big teams, and it's a last possession game. Boils down to a last possession game. So, I think kaya confident ako kasi alam ko na ito yung magiging blueprint namin, na alam nila. Gusto ko maramdaman nila yun Hindi kasi pwedeng parating easy game, parating panalo na maganda or malaki laman. Sa Pogi Points, I told them, this kind of games will get us to the next level. And kaya confident ako going to Talk and Text. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, I'm very confident if we play like this against Talk and Text again. We might not win again, but bigger chance. The second half. But first half, kung naglaro kami ganon, sabi ko sa kanila, first half pa lang, tapos na tayo sa Talk and Text. So I challenge them again. Just like what I've said, katulad na sinabi ko sa inyo. Sinabi ko rin sa kanila, embrace the challenge. They are your kuyas, basically. And there are my probably tito on the other side. So we want this challenge. We embrace this challenge. We enjoy this challenge. We enjoy the competition. And hats off ako sa mga players ko. And they talagang ginagawa nila yung mga gusto kong pagawa. And they trust me. They trust the coaching staff. And also my coaching staff. Grabe sila. They always around me, guiding me, timeouts. Mayroon tao sa likod, mga coaching staff ko sa likod. Sumisenya sila sa akin, mga coaching. Ang laking bagay sa akin. And for me, napapadali sa akin. That's why I'm confident going to the game. Because I know they're there. So,
6 games into your first year as coach, would you say na you're finally getting the hang of Vegas will be the first?
Well, yeah. Oo, pero siyempre, iba pa rin pag naglalaro eh. Hindi, parang gusto kong kunin kanina yung bola. Ako na lang. Ako na lang. Parang kanina eh. So, pero yes, again, nagulag lang sinabi ko, it's a different challenge for me. It's a different aspect of challenge and competition. Me coaching young players and, vets. I'm just happy. I'm blessed, Given a chance, malay mo, diba? Makalaro ulit ako, we'll see. Then ako naman di-discarded, diba? Yeah, so, yun. But, unti-unti, nakukuha ko na naman with the help of my coaching staff again. So, sana, tuloy-tuloy na rin. No? Sana makabingwit kami ng isang malaking isda. No, sana makabingwit kami ng isang malaking isda ulit.
Patay ka ba ng uniform? Patay ka ng uniform?
Oo, meron ako. Ready ako. Malay mo, di ba? Ready ako. Di ba? Sayang naman.
Anong jersey number mo?
Yun pa rin. 5 pa rin. Magsi-16 sana ako, kaya lang ayaw eh.
Pero naman line up ko di ba?
Injury list. Injury list.
So, kailangan
Kailangan i-activate pa. So, I'll see after this long break with the Gilas.
May chance ba? May chance na...
Tingnan natin. Maganda man tinatakbo ng team eh. So, biglang pagpasok ko, biglang masira. Masisipa ako. Masisihin ako ng coach eh. Masisihin ako ng coach eh. So, yun. So, yun lang. So,
Okay.
Okay.